How to use a straight talk SIM card in a Verizon phone. Ensure your Verizon phone is unlocked, meaning it can be used with SIM cards from other carriers. Turn off Verizon phone before proceeding with the SIM card insertion. Locate the SIM card slot on your Verizon phone. It's usually located either on the side or the top of the device. Remove the existing Verizon SIM card if there is one. Insert the straight talk SIM card into the SIM card slot, ensuring it's working properly. Push the SIM card tray back into the phone until it clicks into place. Turn off your phone and wait for it to recognize the straight talk SIM card. Follow any additional prompts to activate the card. Ensure that the data services are working properly by accessing the internet or using mobile data. Hope you understood the topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.